Good afternoon, explorers. We are in Legoland. So we got a little ride through. Johnny Thunder. There we go. We're gonna go blast some stuff. Things like that. Boom, here we go, through the doors.
It sounds like this picking lead needs our help too. Let's go.
Hurry, hurry! Hit the targets on the arch and get me out of this sticky web. Quick, Sim's sister is getting away. We must find him.
This is a cool run.
Sim's sister, you won't
Going
get
dark.
away with this. We'll get you.
There she is.
What happened? Where'd she go? Where's Miss Piggy Reed?
Well, at least I got 4,000. This is a cool run. So, while shooting through a camera, I got 25,000 points. Not bad. Cool ride. I like that one a lot. But with that, we're going to head home. And Florida Park Explorer saying, have a wonderful and a magical filled day. Take care.
To enter our giveaway, like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch one additional video, and comment on that video, I want to be an explorer. That's it. Good luck from Florida Park Explorers.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.